Hello, sweet friends, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Ashley, and I hope you enjoy today's video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe. Today here, we are spending just a cozy August day cleaning up and tidying and organizing our home. I am putting some fresh sheets and linens and pillowcases here on the bed that came right out of the dryer. And I want to focus on doing a few things here in the home that don't always get done. One is going through and really cleaning and organizing my vanity. I'd like to go through my makeup brushes. I just recently purchased some really fun items that I want to use here at the vanity as well, that I'm excited to show you. And I just want to make this area easier for me to get ready in the mornings, whether it's for work, whether it's just to go spend a fun, weekend out. So I hope you enjoy today's content. And then later on, we're also going to be making a really cozy dinner. So one thing I wanted to show you quickly is this beautiful piece of art I got from a good friend of mine over on Instagram named Mary Filty, and you can find her account at Mary Filty Artwork. She painted this stunning art piece for me, and I'm hanging it over here in the corner right by my vanity that I can admire every day. If you have Instagram, go check out her account. It's a beautiful account. She is a talented artist. And if there's anything that you like or you would like her to do, just message her over there. So first, I'm just going to start by organizing my vanity drawers. I am going through a bunch of my face creams and facial cleansers. I have some makeup wipes, and I'm putting some little cotton rounds in here that I use to remove my makeup in the morning, just things like that. And then I want to go through and organize my makeup brushes. I am giving them a good cleaning, and I just laid a little towel down here in the drawer. This top drawer is very skinny, and I'm just placing them across. That way I can really see which one is which, and it's easier for me to just grab as I'm sitting here doing my makeup in the mornings. In the top drawer here, I'm using little baskets to organize my makeup, one with my lip products, and then these little bins. I did give them a good washing. I like to give them a deep cleaning here and there because they do get makeup residue on them from time to time. And then I'm just gonna get them situated in the drawer and organize each little basket by the makeup product type. I like to keep all my foundations in one place, my bronzers and blushes in another, and then all of my eye products in the other little compartment. It just helps me when I go looking for something that I'm not searching through everything, and it kind of has some sort of organization and makes sense. This is a new makeup product that I have discovered at Sephora. I absolutely love this brand. It's all clean products, and I was testing out a few things and I fell in love with the mascara. So I went ahead and I purchased some of that. And then I also got their creamy hydrating lip crayon. It's long lasting, smoothing, plumping, hydrating especially was important for me. And I've been looking for this style of a like a lipstick or crayon. It's not really a liner. You can use it like a liner, but it is like a actual pencil, so you can sharpen it. So it's you've got a lot of it, which I really like. So it's definitely good for the price. But it just goes on so creamy. It's the most beautiful color. The color I got was genre genre. So yes, really excited about those. If you haven't heard of them, go check them out. Now I found this tray out thrifting. It is a vintage, beautiful tray. It was stamped on the back, made in England. I got it for a whole $2, and I thought this would be very pretty once washed and cleaned up to style on the vanity, especially to put my perfumes on. I decided I wanted to transfer all my perfumes to these beautiful antique and vintage perfume bottles. So I'm just pouring them into each one, and I'm going to then style them here on this tray. I have 3 I've collected so far, and I think they are just so beautiful. One of them I found is an atomizer, which I think are so elegant. I loved its little blue glass, and the atomizer part is black with the little tassel. It's just so pretty. I really love how they turned out here on the tray. The other perfume is one that my husband bought me, so I just kept it in its original bottle. I really did love the glass it came in and its little tortoise top. One other thing I did purchase was this new vanity mirror with a light, and I will link this in my description below if it's something you're interested in. It has a little touch screen and 3 different light modes, and I love that it's got the extension arm and swivel to it, and that it's not rechargeable. It is one that's plugged in. I have not had good luck with those rechargeable mirrors in the past, so I've mounted it here on the wall. So we are all cleaned and organized, and I'm just loving how this sweet little vanity turned out. And then we've got all the face creams and lotions and toners. And then in my bottom drawer, I actually have my blow dryer. It's my shark dryer that I keep down there. I harvested some more flowers from our garden today, and I wanted to get them in some water before we went ahead and started cooking our cozy dinner. I'm so happy now that we're in the August months, our sunflowers are in full bloom. I'm also still producing a lot of zinnias from the garden as well. But I wanted to take a minute to show you the cutest little Happy Meal I received. It's this beautiful match holder and striker from my sweet friend Vivian over at Roots and Pots. I've hung it here in our kitchen, and it's the perfect place since I'm always lighting candles. It's such a creative and clever piece. You can find her account over on Instagram and check out all of her amazing ceramics. There's nothing better than on a cozy summer day of making some fresh homemade iced tea. It's so refreshing, and I've really been enjoying it these summer months. So I ran to Target to pick up just a few grocery items for our meal for tonight, and what I'm making is a dirty cabbage. Not only is it somewhat healthy, but it's also very budget friendly. It's a quick, easy meal, and it's super delicious. All you need is a head of cabbage, some shredded carrots. I also pick up several different bell peppers or any sweet peppers, some ground beef, and a red or white onion. I just dice everything up and basically throw it all in a skillet together. I usually brown my ground beef with some minced garlic. I add in my shredded carrots, all of my peppers, and my onions. And I let those saute and caramelize until the ground beef is pretty much thoroughly cooked before I add in my cabbage. I'm gonna add a little bit more carrot to it, and I'm gonna put a lid on it and just let it simmer and steam in here. Now for the sauce, I do use some Worcestershire sauce. I use a little bit of coconut aminos, and or you can use soy sauce. And then I also like this soyaki sauce that I pick up from Trader Joe's. And I'm unfortunately not really measuring this out. I kind of just eye it. I put equal portions of each sauce into the pan, and I stir it all together and let it saute a little bit longer. Add some salt and pepper, any other spices that you think would sound good, I'm sure would be perfectly fine. And once the cabbage cooks down, it's pretty much ready to serve. It is super delicious, and I recommend it if you haven't had it. I wanted to show you while we were at it and in the kitchen, the cutest little kitchen items I picked up at this little shop. And look how cute even their little label is. So I grabbed these sunflower bowl. You put the bowl in and heat it up in the microwave. I thought they were so pretty. They will be really pretty to use in here during the summer and part of the fall. I love the sunflowers. You all know that if you've been following me for a while, so I grabbed those. And then look at these precious little magnets. One is a tomato, and look at the little garlic. Aren't they cute? They were only $1.29 each. So I grabbed 2 of those. I'm gonna put them on the refrigerator. So I grabbed this little thrift find about a couple weeks ago. It was $3.99 and I thought it was super cute. I liked that it was low, so it will fit underneath of my wooden shelves, custom shelves in the kitchen here. But I thought it was super cute because I can set 2 plates on it and we can put some yummy desserts or just style it here in the kitchen. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope this gave you some inspiration for your organizing of your products, or if you're interested in making your own vanity area. I really do think this will make getting ready in the mornings and on weekends so much easier and more enjoyable. Let me know if you plan on trying the dirty cabbage. It is such a good, easy and budget-friendly meal, and I hope you all do like it, and we'll see you again real soon. Have a great weekend. Bye.